So I just bought a new Windows laptop or a pre-built OEM PC and you're thinking of setting it up and downloading your favorite programs and games? Well, you have a couple of modifications to do before you can even start using your laptop. The first step is to turn off all the features in the privacy consent screen that appear in Windows Setup's final stage. Next up, to remove all the preloaded bloatware like alarms and clock, but leaving Microsoft Store, you can download an app called Rewind Installer by going to the link down below and clicking on Portable. Now just want to extract the downloaded zip file. Just run the exe file, go into the Windows Apps tab and uninstall every single app manually. Once that's done, just get into the Uninstall tab and uninstall OneDrive and Microsoft Edge if you don't need it. Since your laptop is new, it's gonna come loaded with temp and cache files, which might have previously been used to install Windows. To delete them, just simply press the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard, type in clean mgr, click clean system files, and select all the checkboxes, click OK, and finally click delete files. So now your computer is ready to be used, let's actually install some useful programs. So instead of going to every single website to download in every single individual program, you can go to nanite.com, choose all your favorite programs, and click Get Your Nanite. Now an exe file should be downloaded. So run the installer, it will automatically download and install the programs that is selected on the website. Next up, I'm going to provide you with some bonus tips. If you create a new folder and copy-paste the code from down below as the name, you'll gain access to something called God Mode. With God Mode, you can access all your control panel applets from within one place. If you go to the Microsoft Store and download or update the package installer app, you'll now have access to something called Winget. So Winget is a package manager that will be used to download programs from within the command prompt. And speaking of command prompt, Microsoft also has a program called Windows Terminal. If you're on Windows 11, the app must be preloaded onto the PC. But if you're on Windows 10, you just have to go to the Windows Store and download the app manually. So Windows Terminal has a sick UI, and it just adds that extra bit of modernness, if you will. So anyways, that's all for today's video. So if you like what you saw, like this video and get subscribed to my channel with notifications set to all by clicking here. Or watch the video that is apparently by YouTube, best for the viewers. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Goodbye.